Hello and welcome to Amazing Facts. In this show, we're diving into the most fascinating, mind-blowing facts from around the world and beyond. So sit back, relax, get the popcorn and a cup of coffee and get ready to discover something new and amazing with each episode of Amazing Facts. Humpback whales are known for their long and complex songs, which can last up to 20 minutes and can be heard for miles underwater. Male penguins propose to female penguins by giving them a pebble. If the female accepts, she places it in her nest. Kangaroos cannot walk backward due to the structure of their legs and tails. Their powerful hind legs are designed for hopping forward only. Dragonflies are incredibly fast flyers and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. The oldest known living tree is a bristlegold pine named Methuselah in California, which is over 4,800 years old. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet, allowing them to taste their food by standing on it. Koalas have fingerprints that are so similar to human fingerprints that they can be mistaken for them at a crime scene. Sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made up of cartilage, the same flexible tissue found in human noses and ears. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain, making it the largest eye of any land animal. Ants can carry objects that are 50 times their body weight. That's like a human lifting a car. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.